Brosy now. Daikiri Laz looking for the leader. Wild Dancer right behind in second. Running in third is La Brosy, while Mahayana Budu is running in the tail of the field. As the winning pose, Daikiri Laz leads Malang, followed by Wild Dancer. 2 lengths back to La Brosy and Mahayana Budu. As they settle now, Daikiri Laz leads by some 2.5 lengths now, followed by Wild Dancer. 2 lengths back to La Brosy and Mahayana Budu, still running in the tail of the field. And past the half mile, Daikiri Laz with 4 lengths lead now. Wild Dancer running second. 4 lengths back in third is La Brosy and Mahayana Budu. And towards the last 600, Daikiri Laz in front. Daikiri Laz with 2 lengths leader. Wild Dancer try to get closer in second. 4 lengths back in third is La Brosy and Mahayana Budu. Last 400 to go. Daikiri Laz in front. Here comes La Brosy now running second. Wild Dancer dropping in third, Mahayana Budu, and down to the finish. Daikiri Laz, La Brosy from the outside, but it's still Daikiri Laz going to win tonight. And finally, Daikiri Laz, La Brosy, Mahayana Budu, and Wild Dancer.
Okay, Bayang Karerista, para po dito sa inyong race number 11, Araw ng Maynila. Ito po, ang ating unofficial winner from gate to end po yan.